In this video, I'll show you how to get Venmo statements. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, I just wanted to make clear that Venmo is a mobile payment service. It is owned by PayPal and it doesn't have or offer traditional monthly account statements like a bank or credit card. However, you can still access your transaction history and even create your own records for your financial tracking and tax purposes. So, how do we do it? Now, I suggest you log into your Venmo account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're like using a different browser. I'm using Google Chrome. It's okay if you're using like Opera, Firefox, Edge, Brave, Safari. Now log in using your credentials and then go here at transaction history. So here's a helpful guide for us if we need a Venmo account statement or want to review your history for tax reporting. So check out these steps to access your Venmo transaction history. All right. So to view your transaction history on the Venmo website, you're gonna click on it right here. Okay. Make sure you've logged in your account. And you can also download your transaction history as CSV file by clicking the CSV button next to the view button. And you can download your history in 1 month windows going back until 3 years. And if you need to see older transactions, Venmo can even help you send a statement via email, and you have to contact their support team to get you started. They will just ask some few information to verify your identity. And alternatively, you can view your personal transactions feed on the Me tab in the Venmo app. If there are any specific transactions you'd like to look on that, and tap at the magnifying glass to start a search. For information about transaction history, notification emails, please click here. And if you need an access to a full statement in preparation for tax season, right, follow these steps above to access your view statement. So I suggest you go here at help.venmo. There's also a step-by-step guide for you to check out. Just watch the YouTube video here. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.